Just name a couple things. Don't stall. Like similar to this DNA test we talking about. Get to it. Now don't take no notes. We talking to you now. You've now become the center of the live. What do you disagree with? Name one or two things. You said it's several things. Name one or two. Because bitch, I don't miss. And I love a marketing opportunity. Name one or two. Exactly. Come on with it, nigga. Come on. Like y'all be telling these niggas, come on. I'm ready to see this shit. I spoke so much facts on here. No opinion at all. I want to hear this shit. No, we need her opinion. We need it. I need it. This page is a business. I'm finna ride this bitch comment all the way through to the end. Come on with it, bitch. Come on with it. I don't care if it's a man or a woman. I don't discriminate. Hell, they call me a man and a woman. Come on, bitch, with the comment. Come on. You want me to add you? Send me a request. I'll add you to the live so you can just say it because you're taking so long. I'm already be knowing a bitch just be want to go against the grain. It's nothing I fucking said that you can disagree with because it's fact. Now, you can always have your opinion of facts, like whether you think they're fair or not. But ain't no disagreeing going on in this motherfucker because I'm stating facts. Come on with your comment. Somebody says she gone. This how y'all be when them niggas be like, I want a DNA test. Same shit I'm talking about. I'm a trill bitch. And for me, I understand true accountability. When you stand on the mistakes you made, nobody can use them against you. So from me to some of y'all, if you a female in a situation where you might have fucked to, I don't remember every single thing she said. You just made a comment and said, you said, like I always say, I agree with some of the stuff you say and some I don't. Bitch, name something you don't agree with. Y'all just be saying anything. And this is, listen, I'm gonna tell y'all something because it's sad. This is when when I talked about being a pleasant person. When you go against the grain, just to go against the grain, like there's no real logic behind why you going. And y'all gotta understand what against the grain is. It's going toward, like, making it rough. Like, you can run your hand this way where your arm hairs lay down, or you can go back against the grain where you roughing shit up. And when you do this shit with no real reason in co-parenting situations, in family situations, you ruin lives. You bitches wake up and on purpose, y'all try to rough some shit up. Look for a reason to blame some shit that ain't to be blamed. Look for a reason to upset some shit that ain't, just going against the grain for nothing. I feel like I said enough. I said I was gonna do 2 parts on this live. So the second part to this, I'm gonna finish what I'm saying, but I'm gonna talk more about parental alienation. I'm gonna read y'all some laws off the law website, and I'm gonna leave y'all with this, right? I did the live the one day on Instagram where I added some females in, and I asked y'all, I said, what are some reasons besides the common sense reasons are legitimate reasons that you should keep a baby away from their daddy, right? Y'all hoes got on there, y'all talked about inconsistency. Y'all got on there, y'all talked about, you know, if a nigga ain't giving y'all no money. Y'all got, and for me, I read a lot, right? And I read boring shit. Like, I go read like statutes and laws, statistics. I spend a lot of time on websites that collect statistics, like from the World Census and just shit that just really shows human behavior and what's going on in the world, right? Shit that y'all probably wouldn't even read. So when people be like, what do you read? You know, it'd be books, but it'd be a lot of shit that the average person be like, why the fuck is she reading that? But anyway, right? I already done went and read, like, up on the laws. Like, before I talk about stuff, I make sure I know what I'm talking about, right? So I already had done went and read, but a lot of y'all sat on the live and you disagreed with me. And just like that person that wouldn't speak up and that forgot what they disagreed with me on after saying they disagreed with me on stuff, but whatever, like, y'all sat on the live and you disagreed with me, right? As if I made the shit up. So before I get off here, I'm gonna read y'all something, right? And I didn't write this. This is off of a law website, right? And when I say law website, it's just a site that has digitized laws where you can go in and read them bitches for yourself. So this is a small piece of something I'm gonna share with y'all on part 2 of this live, right? So it starts off giving reasons that you have the right to deny access to the other parent, right? It says access to your child can be legally prevented by a court if there are safety or welfare concerns, and it lists the concerns: criminal activity, domestic violence, drug and alcohol misuse, and any other inappropriate behaviors that puts the child at risk. So like molestation and shit like that. These are the 4 categories where it is okay to keep a child from the parent, right? I'm reading them. It says access to your child can be legally prevented by a court order if there are safety and welfare concerns such as criminal activity, domestic violence, drug and alcohol misuse, any other inappropriate behavior that puts the child at risk. Now, it also says reasons that may not be valid for denying a father the right to see a child. I'm gonna read again. Reasons that may not be valid for denying a father the right to see his child. Reason number 1, the parent refuses to pay child support. Oh my God, you bitches was wrong. Oh, y'all was wrong. You hoes was wrong. You was wrong. Children are for sale. If the dad doesn't pay you child support, they still get to see their kid. I'm reading it off of the law website. It says reasons that may not be valid for denying a father the right to see his child. The first motherfucking one on the list say a parent refuses to pay child support. That is not a reason to keep the kids from the daddy. Point number 2, and this is what y'all told me, inconsistency. Bullet point number 2 says a parent is sometimes late picking up or dropping off the children. That's that inconsistency y'all told me about as the reason why y'all be keeping y'all kids from y'all baby. These are the reasons not to keep the kids from their daddy. It says a parent is sometimes late picking up and dropping off their children. And it say you hoes should not be trying to deny the father the right to see his child. And then listen to point number 3. Point number 3 of motherfucker, it's gonna tear you bitches up. It says a parent does not see the children regularly, even though an agreement or a court decision says that the parent will see the children regularly. What that means is you and your baby daddy agree he gonna see them every other week or every other weekend, and then he doesn't. Or y'all have a court agreement that he's able to get them every other week or every holiday or every weekend, and then he misses some weekends or doesn't. These are not reasons. They're not reasons to keep the kids, not to keep the kids from their, not to keep the kids from their daddy. Parents who refuse to pay child support are still allowed to see their children. A parent that's sometimes late picking up or dropping off their child, they still allowed to see their kids. A parent that does not see children regularly, even though an agreement or a court decision says that the parent will see them regularly, still is able to see their kids. Now, what I'm going to come behind this with is the actions that parents that are being treated the opposite of this can take to get you bitches locked up or get a custody agreement where they can actually have court order access to their kid. Because it is illegal in most states if you're able to prove that the other parent is doing this stuff on purpose. Like parental alienation is what it's called, where the parent is purposely for malicious reasons, not those top reasons, those top 4 that the court will help you actually keep the nigga away from. It be these fuck ass reasons you hoes come up with in your mind. You're not supposed to be keeping these kids from their daddy because it's not healthy. So when I do part 2 of this live, you bitches gonna hang yourself even more if you couldn't take this one. Because I'm then gonna go and I'm gonna go state by state and break down what niggas can actually do. Like print out y'all text messages, record y'all conversations, get family members to be witnesses to you bitches trying to keep them away from their kids for reasons other than these top. Because you not supposed to be doing that, bitch. Now I'm finna eat my lunch. You hoes can carry on calling me whatever you want to call me. Can't call me broke. Can't call me ugly. Can't call me not stable. Can't call me flawed. Can't call me single. You call me hungry though, because I'm sure finna fuck this salmon salad up. Y'all make sure y'all enjoy the rest of y'all day. If you don't like me, unfollow me. Just unfollow me. Just unfollow me. Y'all have a blessed day, bitch.